How cute, Allison! Oh, yeah. Oh. Here.
Bells.
You hear bells?
Oh. I did.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good job. Daddy, her pants.
Your pants? Your pants have pockets?
I think she's saying they're falling down.
Did you pull your pants up?
Catch.
Okay, catch what?
Alice.
Oh, okay, run! Go, 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 go!
Daddy's gonna get you.
Girl, you can't run 5 feet and...
Her pants are falling down.
You got...
Daddy's gonna get you. Here he comes.
Girl.
Where's Daddy?
My daddy.
Here he is. Oh yeah,
You see
Daddy's car.
When I think about the time when I was young, all I see is snow. Christmas Day, I dreamed of Santa's golden sleigh, that he could stay with me all day. Christmas time is full of wonder, friends cannot be put as
Happy December 8th. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. Alice is sleeping and I am making a game day snack for me and Alvin. I'm also gonna try my 3 wines that I didn't get to try yet. So far this morning, I worked on cards. Alice played. She's actually sick, so Alice and I didn't go to church because I didn't want to put her in the nursery and then get even more sick or get everybody else sick. So Alvin just went to church this morning. Took her outside for a little bit and stuff, and I've been giving her all the earthly tinctures, and so I think that they do definitely make her feel better, but with her being under the weather. I also was gonna go to a winter market thing this afternoon at the drive-in, but I'm just not gonna take her anywhere today and tomorrow because Tuesday is music class, and I definitely want her to be able to go to music class because I think Alvin's gonna go along with us. All right, I'm gonna try this Chardonnay. I think this was from a couple days ago. I am never usually a fan of Chardonnays. Also, Alvin had a good idea. I could put some of these into a sangria if I don't like them. I think I might still, yeah, I think I still have a little bit of bourbon or brandy left in there. All right, this one's the Malbec, which I think was from yesterday. That's pretty good. I still feel like that Cab the first day was the best one so far. This one's today's. It's a Zinfandel. Pretty good too. My favorite wine of all time is the Snoop Dogg Red. And none of these top that because that one just has such a robust black cherry flavor to it that I really like. I'm almost tempted to have one of those long drinks again because those were so good.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.
It's really big on the table, but
one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep.
I made my own hot honey with honey that I heated up, and then
Wait,
I used.
You made it with honey?
And then I used the Calabrian chilies from Trader Joe's. I tried some plain and I was like, this is really good. I should be putting this on other stuff. I'm gonna be trying to work on a craft while Alice is asleep. And so I have these creative tonies that you can paint, and I put her music class music on them. But I wanted to paint them to match the album, since we have a couple different albums, because it's per semester you get a new one. That way we can distinguish between which one has what music on them. So I got some paintbrushes, and then I got a bunch of different paints, and then also the Mod Podge that I think you put over top once it's all painted. Kind of nervous though because I don't craft, and so yeah, I have no clue how this is gonna go, especially because I also have to paint the eyes and the hair and everything on here. So what he looks like, just plain. And so I feel like I should probably start with the body and do the body, and then I'll work on the details of the face and the eyes and stuff. Green first, because that's actually the album that we're currently on. Or let him dry a little bit.
Daddy, Daddy, sit.
Oh, Daddy sits there?
Peace.
Get it, Alice.
A puppy.
She knew it just by the ears. Is it a puppy?
Peace.
Please, you need help? Man, you have rosy cheeks after nap. Wow, a puppy. He's a different color than your other puppy, so now you have 2 puppies.
Whoa, a puppy.
Wow, I can't believe you got a puppy. Would you like to open a book?
Remember me.
Yeah, you want to open a book?
Daddy.
Okay, let's see. You need help? There you go. You can start it. Oh my goodness. This is good practice. You're getting really good at this. Whoa! Let's see. Whoa. Oh, you love these books.
Milk.
Yeah, is there milk in the fridge? I don't know, is there? Oh, yep, there's milk in the fridge. An octopus.
Teddy.
It's funny, he's in the washing machine. So silly. Oh, here we go, let's see. My littles love this. Happy reading, Alice, and love watching Vlogmas. That's from Heather. Yeah, Heather, she has a booktube channel from Bookables. Yeah, thank you for the tag. Wow, can you say thank you?
That money.
Thanks. Can you say Heather?
Oh.
What are those?
Hello.
Yeah, Heather, she got this for you.
Hello.
And there's a horse, he's sleeping. Oh yeah, monkey. Ooh.
Petties.
Presents.
Peace.
Please?
Oh.
Well, that one's for tomorrow.
Peace.
Well, we already opened a book today. That book's for tomorrow.
It's Tato.
You want to do the tea with Mama?
And Mama.
Okay, you want to do the tea
Mama.
with Mama? Okay.
Alright.
Hey. Hey.
Watch it. Oh, December 26th.
Hey.
Well, that's when she gets her kitchen.
Sick.
Okay, 8. We're on 8. 8. Yep, pull it open. Ooh, zesty orange black tea. Tea! I bet that smells good. You want to smell it?
Mommy.
Let me smell. Mmm. All right, which one is it?
Pink.
It is pink.
Go show Mama.
I know.
Oh, we'll let Mama smell it.
We'll be careful to drop. Wow. Thank you for yeah, it does go up there. Let me see. Strawberry icicles. Ooh, yummy. Maybe we should we burn it? Should we light it?
Daddy.
Yeah, you want us to light it? Okay, we'll go light.
I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special 'cause I'm hoping all this is falling like chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get
Yeah, cut. You're cutting.
giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away.
Yours? Yeah, that's yours. And your knife? And that's yours? Good job. Wow. You were cutting? Cut. Be careful because it's sharp. Peppers, yeah. Cut peppers. Good job. Mommy's cutting board and Mommy's knife. Just for Mommies and Daddies. Got through. She's such a...
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
Pink. I know.
Color. Yeah, you're right. Color.
Pink.
Pink. Pink. Purple.
Pink.
This one, pink.
Pink. Pink.
Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Everyone's around
Apple.
to share
A pink.
this holiday.
Oh, next. What am I gonna do next?
'Cause it's a time of
Purple.
happiness.
Purple next.
Pink.
You want this pink next or purple? Pink or purple?
Purple.
Purple? Okay, I'll do purple next. Whoa. Steps?
Do.
Oh, you want Sven? Sven. Stars. Good job. Who's in there?
Mama.
Monkeys.
Socks.
Socks.
Toto.
Potatoes.
Baby.
Strawberries.
Bad milk.
Oh, is that milk? I think it's a pot.
Oh.
I feel mom. Let it go.
Grandkid roundup, grandkid roundup.
You dropped it.
Boy.
You read this one?
Yeah.
T.
Tea.
T.
Baby.
Touch.
Cat.
Yeah, it's a
About it. Oh.
O. Yeah. Green and yellow.
Yeah.
Blue. To walk to the park.
No.
No? Okay.
Back.
Back. Okay. Not that book. Huh?
No.
Yeah?
Better.
This one?
No. Puppy.
Puppy.
Bunny.
5 pats of butter.
Butter.
Butter. Good job.
Cat.
I add one by one. Yeah,
Lemon.
pats of butter. A
Ambi.
lemon. Is it sour? Bun to sleep with?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It is 10:33. I've been working on cards for hours. I did like 23 orders, but I have a big box that's being picked up by the mailman that I completed today. Normally I can like just fit all of them in my mailbox, but it was such a large order today that I'm gonna just have the mailman like do a pickup. That hot honey pizza dip that I made for like game day today was so incredibly good. I think I'm going to make it again for New Year's Eve since I will be like around family and hanging out and stuff. I'll try and remember to put the link to my like Pinterest board down below. I actually might have the link to like my Pinterest down below if you like scroll enough to see my socials, but I have a board of like December meals that I'm making, and so if you look at that board you'll see like meals that I have been making, and then you can also like save some. And then I also have like a game day board that I keep so that way I can like make special things for, you know, Sundays for Alvin watch football. Dinner was also really good. It was supposed to be like a slow cooker pierogi recipe, but I just wanted to like make it in a pot so that way I could make it like fast because I cooked twice today, but that way I probably won't have time to cook tomorrow with like my IVF appointment being in the afternoon. And I actually have, it's my sister-in-law's little sister. She babysits Alice for me, and so she's coming over at like 1:30 to watch Alice for me while I go to my, I think they said it's only like 30 minutes, but I have to drive an hour and 15 minutes to the IVF fertility clinic, and it's supposed to be like a sit down talk of like timelines and, you know, testing I would have to get done because you have to redo your testing if it's like more than a year since you've had your testing done. We have 4 embryos frozen, so I'm hoping that like the testing won't take too long. And it's crazy to think that like in a couple months I could be pregnant. Like, what? That seems so weird to think about, actually. It's also weird because it's, if everything would like go to plan and work out like for the timeline, then we would literally be having another baby at this time next year. But anyway, with all that stuff happening, I knew that I just wanted to like eat leftovers all day tomorrow, so that way I can eat leftovers for lunch, then we can all eat the leftover soup for dinner, and then we might have a little bit of leftovers for lunch on Tuesday after music class, and then I'll actually like cook fresh dinner again on Tuesday night and like Wednesday and Thursday and stuff. I feel like my meals that I've planned will be getting low closer towards the weekend, and then I'll figure out like what meals I'm going to do the following week, which I think, no, Christmas is the following, I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure it out, and then I'll probably like do some more meal planning and like see what's in my freezer, see what other ingredients I need to like utilize things. Alice has been a really good girl. Like, even with her being under the weather today and like having a cold, I feel like the earthly tinctures are just really helping her just feel good even though she's sick. But she also has just been so incredibly good and like playing independently so well. She has been loving the dollhouse. Like, she plays with that thing for hours, literally, because I've been up here a lot today working on cards, and she pretty much like begs to come up here and play with the dollhouse while I'm working on cards. Something I wanted to talk about like in a future video, just like motherhood in general, but just the difference in ages. Like, there were some ages that I felt like were very challenging for me, and I know that like watching my vlogs sometimes it might just look like everything is easy. Right now we're in a good stage, like Alice is in a really good stage, whereas like a couple months prior, it was actually like after my June vlogs, before these December vlogs, it was the months of like 15 to 17 months. That was a very hard stage. It was a very like lots of cleanliness, constantly needing to be held, not playing independently, like all that stuff. So I know you might look at my videos and it might seem like, oh, everything's happy-go-lucky and like motherhood just comes so easily and my kid plays and my kid's good and all that stuff, but there's a lot of work that goes into that. Every child is different. It affects everyone differently. So the current stage that I'm in, just know that you might get to that stage. I just don't know what stage that would be for you because of it all being different. But so far, 18 months is when it started like getting really easy, because it was so hard before. Yeah, she's just a little helper. She's been loving the Christmas presents, getting really good at opening presents and all that stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna head to bed and I will see you guys tomorrow.